dirty people, them dare me some if I bust it up on the evil, drunko, or if I put up your friend who just come up from Jamaica, and only after 1 week you deal with the girl away, so tell the girl say you have space, then all of a sudden you see her progress and start show the girl bad face. Germs! Remember banana boat to come upon, and you get a passport book back date, or if you want to charge the girl to sleep on your couch at such an expensive rate. The girl come up to get a breakthrough, cause nothing much now going back a yard, and you want to trick the girl and broke her foot, you know, say you're a fraud. So the girl meet a money man, was spend on a help her out. We ever tell the man about her baby for a yard for? Look a bad man, girl, you mouth. The girl treat you good when you did travel to Jamaica, but now you're horrible to her abroad. The way the girl depress her foreign, she feel call upon the Lord. Her baby born in America, and she beg you for the tax return. And just show the girl not have no papers, not even 50% you couldn't make the girl earn. When your man come check you in the winter, the girl have to out the door like Alice in a Wonder. I give you time for grind, but remember God on time. Girl come for hustle and you say you have a helper. But a babysitter you look, cause you have your careless broke bad pitney them and tie up the girl foot. And nobody know why you dirty food. And she got spy, but you not cook. That's why she tell me Zanjama about your dirty ways. I soon put you out in our book. And people like you may hate, cause they depend on Section 8. Crosses they depend on government help and I behave like you pay full rent. Then I overcharge you. Dog, where's the conscience? You're charging for light. You're charging for Wi-Fi. You know I'm not work not much because I just try. You're charging for so much things. When you get it from drunk or 3 bills a week, you might get under the table. You know the boy not have no social. You say you help the woman get a bus so she can get the green paper. And when the girl pay you upfront to just pure disaster, you make she fail the first interview. You're disgusting like her. You abuse the girl and treat her bad till she end up at a file for hour. And what you mean? She can't pack barrel because they're all I'm gonna try. You're too bad mind, so pre the girl and watch the things them what she buy. Every minute you borrow the girl money out of the little pocket money what she have. And you know she afraid to ask about because she knows say you have a galang bad. You want the girl clean your place like she a helper. Why you wicked so? And you have your big son and your daughter just in the place not help to do nothing. And less than a drama medium, I rather sleep on train than put up with someone and drunk up here. Me now make gonna chip my brain. Enough people feel it up your man. I choose them afraid to talk out. Hold on there. Where's that one now, Millie? Bombard! They put her out.